Hello traders, the title of this video is Stock Market, Cool Stock Market Trading and Investing Tips and Tricks. Alright, so very simple, okay, but cool stock market trading and investing tips and tricks that I want to share with you today. I'm on a monthly chart. This strategy for day trading, we can apply it on a 2-hour time frame, on a 4-hour time frame, and then break it down to the 5-minute time frame. We can apply it on a daily chart or any time frame. For investing purposes, I would prefer that investors focus on the monthly chart. All right, let's get started. Very simple. And this is what's going on here. We want to find, the first thing that one must find is a psychological price level. So this is not a difficult word. I will explain to you what is a psychological price level. One example of a psychological price level is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Another example of a psychological price level is the low before the last low, or the high before the last high. Okay, so I talked about that before, about psychological price level, but I don't want to dwell on that. So what is happening here, you can see that this stock, by the way, the reason why I titled this video Cool Stock Market Trading and Investing Tips and Tricks is because the financial instrument that we are analyzing today, the EPIC, is cool. Can you see on the chart? COOL. All right, Charlie, Oscar, Lima. Okay, Polarity. Okay, TE Incorporation. All right, technology sector, health and information and services. This is an American stock, and EPIC is cool. So you have to understand why, George, you are saying, okay, cool stock market trading and investing tips and tricks. Let's go back to the main topic. All right, here we are. So you can see that this stock form a double bottom chart pattern here. You can see here. Can you see? I'm on a monthly chart. All right. Doesn't have to be a double bottom chart pattern, but this time it happened to be a double bottom chart pattern. But we can say there was a low here. All right. We have another low here, same low. If I say triple bottom here, key level. All right. Now the price D below that key level. So in fact, when we are talking about a psychological price level, for instance, the low before the last low is what is the last key level, okay, that the price has broken. What is the last support level that the price has taken out? Okay, if we were in an uptrend, we will say what is the last high that the price has taken out. All right, so if you look on this chart, it's going up, going up, going up. It went, so this is the last high here. Okay, what was the last, what was the high before the last high? Is this one. This was the high before the last high. So this level here is a psychological price level. You see how the price dropped down below it, quickly return, acknowledging this level, and then from there it just come down. Now we are again at the psychological price level, another key level that the price has taken out. But the good news for investors and traders in the stock market is that after this stock D below that specific key level, I'm talking about the level of, call it $23. So in fact it's $22.82, but we want to round it to $23. Okay, after that price D below that level, stay there the whole 2014, 2015, 2016. So it's stuck below that specific key level of $23. Here it comes, the cool stock market trading and investing tips and tricks. So if for one reason or another, my friend, as you can see now, it's happening now, the price you can see is popping out. That cool stock is nice. You see here, there was some, this is this candlestick bar betrays what is happening. There were some buyers here, so they were buying here, and somebody buy and it pop up. They say, "Ooh, we don't want that yet. We don't want people to know that we are buying." Here again, you see the body push it up. So something is brewing here. Now this is the confirmation that they were buying here, because the sellers in the zone are not selling anymore, unless it start going down now. But if it goes above, because this zone is a bearish zone before, but now here it is popping out, which means in fact these were buyers in this zone. All right. By the way, this video is not an invitation to buy or sell, okay, cool stock. All right, for educational purposes only. Now, so if this stock, for one reason or another, breaks above that psychological price level, most importantly, close above that $23 level, all right, investors must go to Google Finance, perform Google Asset test. You can check videos about Google Asset test. And you will hear me with my old voice as a beginner YouTuber talking about, okay, what is a Google Asset test. All right? Or you may go to www.stochastic-magic.com, click on Finance, and you will see a web page about Google Asset test, how to use Google Asset test. I'll try to explain it there for you. Okay. Now, we will perform Google Asset test. We will check the fundamental, all right? Okay. We will check the economy news, all right? And we will adhere to the trading triangle, right? So, to summarize the blah, 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 is that when the stock closes above the psychological price level, one must check the fundamental. One must perform what we call a due diligence for this stock, all right? If the fundamentals are solid and there is a good reason to buy it, this will be a candidate for a bullish watch list. For technical traders, all right, if it closes above that $23, breaks above, retest, turn around, that's an invitation to buy. Therefore, we will implement a multiple time frame trading method to control the risk without violating the trading triangle. You will notice that I'm using the word trading triangle all the time because we trade first the market, which is the S&P 500. Then we concentrate on the sector. Here, the sector is technology sector, health, information services. All right. And before we trade a financial instrument, we also pay attention to the market leaders, the economy news, and the fundamental relating to the financial instrument that we are trading. But the takeaway in this tutorial talking about stock market, cool stock market trading tips, trading and investing tips and tricks. If a financial instrument breaks below a psychological price level and stay below that psychological price level for long time, if it goes back above that psychological price level, it means that something has changed. At least the market sentiment is improving for that stock, or probably the intrinsic value is that rising, or the fundamentals are improving. Therefore, we cannot ignore that. We must put that stock on our bullish watch list and now time the market carefully. Is that good enough for you? Well, it's very simple, you see here, very simple. So now you see that what's going to be pushing it, so pushing it. But we want it to clear the zone, all right? So you see this mouse just going up, but this is a betrayal for the activity or the smart money because they don't want people to know what's going on, all right? So, but now there's a psychological price level at $23. You can apply this even as a day trader on a 2-hour time frame, on a daily chart. This strategy that we are discussing, break below the last key levels. If you return back above it, you want to implement a top-down trading method to trade it as a technical trader. Day trading, swing trading, all right? So price going up, price breaks above the high before the last high. If the price return back below that high before the last high, that's an invitation to sell it. As you can see here, this is the high before the last high. All right? So if you have any questions or suggestions, put in the comment section. And of course, I will be recording another video, to answer your specific question by saying I like or dislike. You are saying to me, George, I don't want to watch any more of this blah, blah, blah from you. If you say give us the thumbs down, I want to know. Or if you give the thumbs up, you say, okay, George, those are the topics I want you to record more videos about. So this is also helping me and putting me more under pressure to improve my blah, 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 blah in the financial markets. All right, so rate this video if you like it, dislike it, very important. We want to know, please, all right? So this is the end of this tutorial about stock market, cool stock market, trading and investing tips and tricks. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about cool stock market, trading and investing tips and tricks.